Expert advice: cordless mowing is not a power compromise. Many homeowners still believe gas equals stronger lawn results. But modern brushless electric mowers deliver serious cutting performance. I recommend the Greenworks 60V 17-inch Cordless Push Mower. It combines power, convenience, and low-maintenance operation. The 60V system delivers up to 40 minutes runtime. That is enough for small to mid-sized lawns. A high-efficiency brushless motor boosts power and durability. You get consistent cutting without frequent mechanical wear. The 7-inch steel deck is lightweight yet durable. That makes maneuvering easier around trees and tight corners. Its 6-position height adjustment is quick and intuitive. Adjust grass length from 1.5 to 3.15 inches. Choose mulching for natural feeding or rear bagging for cleanup. This 2-in-1 design adapts to changing lawn conditions. For thick patches, the motor keeps cutting steadily. For routine maintenance, it stays quiet and efficient. No fumes, no oil changes, no pulling a starter cord. Just press start and begin mowing immediately. The included 4 0-hour battery charges fully in 90 minutes. That helps keep lawn care moving with less downtime. Greenworks also gives you a complete yard care ecosystem. This mower works with 7 5 plus 60V tools. One battery platform can power trimmers, blowers, and chainsaws. That adds value far beyond a single mower purchase. The 4-year tool and battery warranty adds confidence. It is a practical choice for homeowners and gardeners. If you want cleaner, quieter, easier lawn care, choose Greenworks. Power your yard with cordless efficiency and dependable results. Greenworks 60V, strong performance, simple operation, better mowing.